oil prices have fallen pretty far since early October of 2018, down around 30% as of this recording. And so that's a challenge for Canada quite clearly. The good news perhaps is we think oil may have overshot a little bit to the downside. Our suspicion is it can perhaps reclaim a little bit of that ground, perhaps aided by an OPEC production cut. And so we do look for oil to be a little bit less low. And of course, equally, let's acknowledge that recently Alberta made the decision to mandate a reduced level of oil production, which has already succeeded in substantially raising the price that Canadians get, though it's still not a very high price. And so it might be getting less bad, but I still think that's a challenging environment for the Canadian economy. The oil sector is not likely to thrive, particularly over the next year, given the setup as it presently exists. As we look more broadly into the Canadian economy, we still identify some competitiveness challenges out there, and we still see a housing market that's not cooking to the extent that it once was. And so it does add up still to a diminished economic outlook in our mind, but it's not quite as dire for that Alberta oil sector as it was just a few months ago.